The most unforgettable event in my life was when I experienced climbing. At the time, I was a small child who went to kids' cafes with kindergarten friends. I enjoyed many zones. I waiting for the climbing zone. I tried climbing bravely. However, when I looked at the ground and felt my leg was paralyzed. But I didn't want to fall down, so I took a deep breath to feel comfortable. I climbed higher and higher, while the level became harder and harder. I saw a helper asking for assistance. I grabbed his hand to achieve my labor. After this experience, I got a fear of heights. I will never forget the feeling of climbing.